Today we will understand what are articles. The words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. So there are two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. A or an is called the indefinite article because it tells us something is non-specific. For example, a book, but that is any book. I'm not specifying which book I'm talking about here. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. For example, an orange, a girl, a doctor. Next, what are definite article? The is called the definite article because it normally points out that something is specific. For example, the book you want is out of print. So here you can notice one thing. When a book was unknown to us, we used the article a. But when it is known to us, here we are using the article the. That is, the book you want is out of print. The definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For example, the book, the books, the milk, the girls, the doctors. As we have learnt, there are two indefinite articles and we will not use both the articles before a single word. So the choice between a and an is determined by sound. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella, an hour, an honest man. You can notice these examples, they all are starting with a vowel sound and there are 5 vowel sounds. They are A, E, I, O and U. And also here you can see there are words like are, honest. They are starting with H, but the initial consonant H is not pronounced here because we pronounce it as R, not hour. So here R and honest, they are also starting with a vowel sound. Similarly, there are many such words where the initial consonant sound is not pronounced, and in such words, in such conditions, we will use an as a article. Next indefinite article is a. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a man, a flower, a mango, a horse, a unicorn, a university, a European. In these examples, you can notice that all the words are beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sounds are the sounds which are not of a vowel sounds. Means other than those 5 vowels, all the sounds of the alphabet are consonant sounds. But here are some words, they are starting with a vowel. For example, university, unicorn, European. But still we are using a as an article here. Why? Because these words begin with a consonant sound, that of U. That is YU. They are starting with a consonant sound. So therefore we are using a and not an. Use of the indefinite article. The indefinite article is used first in its original numerical sense of 1. For example, when we have to talk only about a single thing, about a singular noun, then we will use a there. For example, not a word was said. 12 inches make a foot. So here a foot, a word, this show that we are talking about a one thing. Next, in the sense of any, to single out an individual as the representative of a class. For example, a dog is a domestic animal. So here we are using a dog. This means any dog or all the dog. So this a dog is representing a class of dogs. So article a or an is also used in a sense of any. Next, when mentioning something for first time, for example, I went for a movie. Here I am not telling about the name of the movie, what type of the movie it was. So I'm using this movie word for the first time in the conversation. So that's why I'm using a here, a movie. Use of the definite article. The definite article the is used first when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to, that is, when it is clear from the context which one we mean. For example, let's go to the park. So here the word the is used before park, which shows that the park which I am talking about is known to the other person. That is the park in that town. One more example, it is a rose, the rose is pink. So here in first sentence we have used a rose and in the second sentence we are using the rose because we are talking about the same rose. So that's why now it is known to us, the rose is known to us, it is specified. So that's why now we are using the rose in second sentence. Okay, so the is used when we are talking about a particular thing. Here we are talking about a particular rose. Second use, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the horse is a noble animal. So here the horse means we are talking about each and every horse. Definite article is also used before some proper nouns like before oceans and seas, for example the Pacific, the Black Sea, before rivers, for example the Ganga, the Nile, before the name of deserts, for example the Sahara, before group of islands, for example the West Indies, before mountain ranges, for example the Himalayas, and also before a few names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom, for example the United Kingdom, also the Ukraine, the Netherlands. The is also used before the names of certain books, for example the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana. Also before names of things unique of their kind, for example the sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth. The is used before superlatives. For example, the darkest cloud has a silver lining. Honesty is the best policy. Before musical instruments, for example, he can play the flute. It is also used before an adjective when the noun is understood. For example, the poor are always with us.